Hello guys, I hope everybody is fine today. As you always know that we always get the new lesson on Sunday. So today we are going to study lesson 5, which is called pronouns. Pronouns. But first of all, allow me to thank those who have been doing the homeworks from the first lesson up to the fourth lesson. Thank you. So allow me to give them a big hug and telling you who didn't do the homework for the last 4 lessons, please go back and do the homework, or you can even start with this lesson today. You do the homework, I collect each and everyone's answers and I give them the feedback through the comments. So you can be checking after doing your homeworks, you can go back again and check, because I give you the feedback about the things you have done in your homework. So thank you so much. But let me even welcome those who are new here on my channel. My name is Divine Shema, but here I'm using Teacher Divine as my name on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe, and you who always come and watch the videos but you don't subscribe, please subscribe. It's a big help and I really thank you, because I know that you are going to do it. May God bless you. Today, as I told you, we are going to study lesson 5. If you don't speak Kinyarwanda, if you are not from Rwanda, or if you are not from Burundi, please, you will be following the lesson, but I will be mixing some Kinyarwanda with English so that those who are in Rwanda or in Burundi can be able to understand well. But I'm sure you too, you will be getting something, because I will be putting the subtitles and I will be showing the things that I will be reading so that you can be able to understand. So let's start our lesson. So the first type of pronouns is called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Mbibutsa ngo ninzajya mvuga ikintu mujye mugisubiramo kugira ngo mubashe kukimenya neza binaboroheye, mwajya mwandika ubundi bikaba byiza cyane kurushaho. As I have been telling you, we are going to start our lesson, which is pronouns, and the first type of pronouns which we are going to look together is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. So tugiye kureba itandukaniro. First of all, I'm going to first read the meaning of personal pronouns in English, then after we try to explain it in Kinyarwanda. Personal pronouns are short words used to represent people or things. Let me repeat again. Personal pronouns are short words used to represent people or things. Personal pronouns ni amagambo magufiya dukoresha asimbura abantu cyangwa ibintu. We have different personal pronouns. Dufite personal pronouns zitandukanye, which are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Ni ukuvuga ngo izo personal pronouns akaba arizo I, you, she, he, it, we, you, and they. Mu Kinyarwanda niko navuga ngo ndi, uri, ari, turi, bari. Uko nguko niko biba bivuze mu Kinyarwanda. Kuvuga ngo I ni ndi, you uri, he ni ariko ari umusore, she ni ariko ari umukobwa, it ni kiriya. Noneho tukongera we, turi, you, muri, they, bari. Ndumva noneho mubyumvishije itandukaniro ririmo. Then I, you, he, she, and it, they are singular pronouns. Ni ukuvuga ngo they are singular personal pronouns. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni ziri mu bumwe, urumva ntabwo ari mu bwinshi. Noneho we have plural. Plural dufite we, you, and they. We, you, and they. Ni mu bwinshi. Niho dufite we, you, and they. Ubwo ngubwo ndumva musobanukiwe personal pronouns izarizo. Noneho tukaba tugiye kurebera hamwe ukuntu zikoresha. So we have examples which are he's driving a car. He's driving a car. He's driving a car. Tukagira iyindi, they are eating fruits. They are eating fruits. They are eating fruits. ndumva ayo magambo twaramaze kuyamenya itandukanyirizo ya driving meaning ya car muzi ubusobanuro bwayo. Eating ni ukurya, fruits ni imbuto. They are eating fruits, bari kurya imbuto. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. Ndumva musobanukiwe. Aho ngaho tukaba turangije personal pronouns. Tukaba tugeze kuyo twita demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Let me lead first. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that represents a noun and expresses its position as near or far, including in time. Ni kuvuga ngo reka mbanze nongere nsubiremo kugira ngo tugendane no nsoma buhoro n'abandi bagende babasha gusoma. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that represents a noun and expresses its position as near or far. Near, far. Near, far. Near, far. Ndumva mubyumvishije. No kuvuga ngo demonstrative pronoun ni pronoun ikoreshwa yerekana izina ry'ikintu. Noun twarazize, niba utarazize wasubira inyuma, kandi ikanasobanura umwanya icyo kintu kirimo. Ni kuvuga ngo uwo mwanya ni hafi cyangwa kure, near or far. Ni kuvuga ngo hakaba hanajyamo na time n'igihe gishobora kujyamo. So those demonstrative pronouns, they are this. This is a finger. This is a finger. These are fingers. These are fingers. Ni kuvuga ngo this is a finger ni ikintu kinyegereye. Uru ni urutoki. These are fingers. These are fingers. Izi ni intoki. No, that is a car. That is a car. Iriya ni imodoka. Those are cars. Those are cars. Ziriya ni imodoka. Murumva ko mubashije kugira gute kumenya itandukanyiro ryabyo. Reka turebere hamwe examples. Dufite examples which are in singular, ziri mu bumwe. Akaba ariho this is my book. This is my book. That is my car. That is my car. This is my book. That is my car. This is my book. That is my car. Ubwo murabyumvisha. Urumva that this is ikoreshwa mu kintu kiri mu bumwe ariko kikwegereye. That igakoreshwa ku kintu kimwe atitari mu bwinshi ariko kitakwegereye kiri kure. Noneho plural tukaba aricyo twita ubwinshi, tukavuga these are my books. These are my books. Ibi ni ibitabo byanjye. Uri kubona ko arabifite biramwegereye. Those are my cars. There. Those are my cars. Ziriya ni imodoka zanjye. Ndumva musobanukiwe uko wayikoresha nayo neza. Uno munsi tukaba turigiye nanone kwiga iyindi ariyo twita interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns ni pronouns ibaza. Interrogative ubundi uhita wumvamo ijambo ikintu cyo kubaza. So interrogative pronouns nizo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi. Let me first read for you the meaning in English. Interrogative pronoun is used when asking a question. The main one are which, who, whom, and whose. Let me repeat again. Interrogative pronouns is used when asking a question, and the main one are. No kuvuga ngo interrogative pronoun yitwa interrogative. Uyikoresha iyo urimo urabaza ikibazo. Kandi izangombwa cyane nizo tugiye kubanza kureba kugira ngo bitazaba byinshi bikabagora, arizo which, who, whom, and whose. Gusa reka tubanze tukijye muri black time as usual. Ari hano ngo duhezagiye atureme bushya dukize nitwizere ijambo ijambo ryiwe ari hano, ari hano, ari hano, ari hano ngo duhezagire, atureme bushya dukize, nitwizere ijambo ryiwe ari hano. Black yacu tukaba tuyivuyemo, tugiye gukomezanya na interrogative pronoun. Tukaba tumaze kurebera hamwe interrogative pronouns, ubusobanuro bwayo mu Cyongereza. Nkuko nabivuze ngo interrogative pronoun is used when asking a question. Ubwo ikoreshwa iyo urimo urabaza ikibazo. Interrogative zikoreshwa mu gihe urimo urabaza ikibazo. Tukaba dufite yitwa which, iki cyangwa ibiki, irumva ikoresha ku kintu. Tukagira who ikoreshwa ku muntu, tukagira whom na ikoreshwa ku muntu, tukagira whose nabyo bigakoreshwa ushaka kubaza kuri nyiri iki kintu. Mbega ushaka kuvuga ngo nyiri iki kintu, ariko ushaka kuvuga icyo kintu udashaka kuvuga uwo muntu, gusa n'uwo muntu yumvikanyemo. Reka turaje tubyigire hamwe, reka mbanze mbibasobanurire. There is differences between which, who, whom and whose. Differences between, ngira ngo twarayavuze ayo magambo. Differences ni itandukaniro, between riri hagati ya which, who, whom and whose. Ubwo ni differences between these interrogative pronouns that we are going to be looking together. So who is used when asking about someone, about something, or asking the owner of something. Nukuvuga ngo who is used when asking about someone, something, or asking the owner of something. Nukuvuga ngo who ikoreshwa uri kubaza nyiri kintu cyangwa ubaza umuntu ikintu cyangwa ubaza nyiri icyo kintu, ariko igakoreshwa ku muntu. Turarebera hamwe ingero biri buhite biborohera. Tukagira which is used when asking about something. Something ni ikintu. Which is used when asking about something. Which ikoreshwa, used ni gukoresha, when asking mu gihe ubaza about something, kubyerekeranye n'ikintu. Noneho tukagira whom. Whom is used about people but trying to remind someone about them. Let me repeat again. Whom is used about people but trying to remind someone about them. Kanongera nsome. Whom is used about people but trying to remind someone about them. Nukuvuga ngo whom ikoreshwa ku bantu, ariko ushaka ko hari umuntu wibutsa uwo muntu uri gushaka kuvugaho. Mbega uri ikoreshwa ku bantu, ariko ukaba uyikoresha ushaka kwibutsa uwo muntu muri kuvugana. Uwo muntu wenda ari umuntu mwigeze kuvugaho, ukaba ushaka kumwibutsa uwo muntu mwavuzeho, cyangwa uwo muntu wakoze ikintu runaka. Tukagira whose. Whose is used when asking or talking about the things owned by someone. Let me repeat again. Iyo mvuze ngo let me repeat again, bisobanura ngo reka nsubiremo nanone. Let me repeat again. Let me repeat again, bisobanura reka nsubiremo. Ubwo hari amagambo nzagenda ndekera kujya mvuga mu Kinyarwanda kuko mba narabasobanuriye icyo avuga mu Cyongereza. So let me repeat the meaning of whose. Whose is used when asking or talking about the things owned by someone. Nukuvuga ngo whose ikoreshwa iyo uri murabaza ibintu cyangwa uvuga ku bintu umuntu atunze. Uvuga wenda nko ku mutungo w'umuntu, nibwo byakumvikana neza. Uvuga nko ku mutungo w'umuntu. Ahangaha turimo turareba izi ngizi nka interrogative pronouns, ariko hari ubundi buryo tuzongera kuzireba zidakoreshwa mu bibazo gusa. Hari ubundi buryo zikoreshwa ariko atari mu kibazo nkuko nabibabwiye tuzanzajya nzora videos ebyiri mu cyumweru zibigisha kugira ngo tubashe kwihuta hanyuma tugera ahantu tuzaza twiga noneho dukoresha icyongereza gusa mbega twateye intambwe urumva ko ari ibintu byiza cyane so reka tujye muri examples of interrogative pronouns. Examples we have who drive this car, who drive this car, who drive this car. Ninde utwara iyi modoka? Uri kubyumva? Who ninde utwara drive this car iyi modoka. This twamaze kwiga as demonstrative pronoun. Noneho tukagira iyindi. Which book do you want? Which book do you want? Ushaka ikihe gitabo? Urumva which book ni ikihe gitabo ushaka? Nibyo byumvikana. Ushaka ikihe gitabo? Namvuze ngo do you want which book? Ushaka kuvuga do you want which kind of book? Ariko ahangaha rero dufite which book do you want bivuga ngo ni ikihe gitabo ushaka. Urumva ko which ikoresha ku bintu. Tukagira whom did you give my trouser? Whom did you give my trouser? Ninde wahaye ikabutura yanjye? Urumva ngende kukubaza ninde wahaye ikabutura yanjye? Ndi gushaka umbwira uwo muntu. Urumva whom kwa kundi ikoreshwa niko tuyikoresheje. Whom did you give my trouser? Ninde wahaye ikabutura yanjye? Tukagira nanone iyindi. Who's this cow? Who's this cow? Who's this cow? Wenda unyuze mu nzira ubona inka irimo iratambuka because cow yitwa cow ni inka mu Kinyarwanda. Noneho uciye mu nzira ubona inka irimo iragenda ntabwo iri mu kiraro ukahita uvuga who's this cow? Ninde nyiri ino nka? Urumva uvuze ku nka ariko ushaka kumenya nyiri iyo nka. Uri kubyumva? Ushobora no kuyikoresha ku mwana wenda usanze nk'umwana aryamye ahantu ukahita uvuga who's this baby? Who's this baby? Ninde nyiri uyu mwana? Who's this book? Ninde nyiri iki gitabo? Uri kubyumva ko ari uko nguko bimeze. Uyu munsi wa none rero isomo ryacu nanga rirangiriye gusa ndagira ngo mbasabe please mukore homework. Mujye muri comment mukore homework nukuri ndabakosora nka Sky ndamukosora, hari undi witwa Celine, hari benshi cyane ndabakosora kandi ndabashimira cyane ko bakora homework banyereka ko bari kwitabira ibyo turimo kandi bibafitiye akamaro. Iki cyongereza si kigufitiye akamaro we wenyine, ushobora no kuba uri umumama umwana akajya ataha akakubwira ati mama mfasha homework, aho kugira ngo ugende uzana abantu bazaza bafasha umwana homework ku ishuri runaka wajya ugira gute wifashiriza umwana wawe. Ndetse no muri iki gihe bari mu rugo ufite no kumuhereza umwana ati iga, niyo waba uri kwiga nawe mukigana cyangwa wamara kubyiga ukagenda ukamwigisha bigufasha noneho kubimenya cyane. Rero ndabinginze mujye mukora homework, mukore homework bizaza bibafasha, sibyo? Uyu munsi rero homework dufite ibibazo bitanu muri buze kuzurisha ziriya pronouns twize personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns na interrogative pronouns. Ikibazo cya mbere kiravuga ngo dash my plate. Muri bracket harimo near, twize meaning ya near. Ubwo uri buze kwita umenya iyo ikintu uri bushyiremo. Dash is my plate. Dash is my plate. Noneho tukagira iyindi ya kabiri. Dash is dancing. Dash is dancing. My plate, sorry nanibagiwe kubanza kubabwira new words ariko ndahita nzibabwira murahita mumenya n'ubusobanuro bw'iyi homework yanyu. Dash is dancing. Ubwo urumva dash kubyina. Ubwo ngubwo naringiye kokopeza ariko sinyuma kopeshe. Gatatu dash are spoons. Dash are spoons. Ibiyiko harimo bracket far, twize meaning ya near na far. Ubwo uri witumenya iyo uri bukoresha kandi twize na plural and plural and singular. Ubwo ngubwo uri bumenye iyo uri bukoresha ahangaha. Tukagira for ikibazo cya kane. Dash dash is eating. Dash dash is eating. Dash dash is eating. Hariho akabazo. Tukagira gatanu. Dash dash that house. That house. That house. Aha, ubwo rero mukore homework. Rero new words dufite new words iya mbere cup. Ndajya nsoma inshuro eshatu. Iya mbere utega ugutwi wumve, ebyiri dusubiranemo. Noneho sindi buvuga ubusobanuro kuko urabubona aho ngaho muri bracket nashyizemo ubusobanuro mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo twihute. Cup, cup, cup. Tukagira kabiri. Plate, plate, plate. Tukagira gatatu. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Tukagira kane. Fork, fork, fork. Tukagira gatanu. Knife, knife. Murebe ukuntu mbivuga. Knife, knife. Tukagira gatandatu. Maid, 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 maid. Tukagira karindwi. House, house, house. Tukagira umunani. Table, table, table. Ndumva twiza amagambo umunani. Isomo rikurikiraho tuzayakoresha tutayasobanuye, ndetse tunakoreshe izi ngizi zino pronouns n'ibindi twagiye twiga tutabisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. Ubwo mujye mushishikara, mushishikaze n'abandi, mujye mugira courage, munyihanganire kumvuze, mujye mugira courage, mugire umwete wo kwiga. Dufite cup, plate, spoon, fork, knife, maid, house and a table. So aya magambo rero no muri homework mwayasanzemo. Ibyo ngibyo murahita mumenya ubusobanuro nuko mukora homework neza. Ndabashimira cyane, Imana ibahe umugisha. Please niba utarakora subscribe, kora subscribe, sharinga n'abandi bantu uzi wifuza kumenya Icyongereza ariko badafite uburyo bakiga muri iki gihe ndetse n'igihe kizaza bitewe n'ukuntu baba bari mu kazi wenda. Kora share, ni inkunga ikomeye ubufashishe cha Divine. Ndabakunda cyane, Imana ibahe umugisha. Bye bye.